Hello and welcome to Traffic Control demo for Move Segmentation. In this demo, you will see the use of Traffic Control client named Yard Manager, where you will see the move progressions and how they are tracked using the segmentation. Yard Manager client is the most important UI that helps with both administration and configuration of moves and equipment within Traffic Control. This video demonstrates how the move transitions through the move cycle and how work orders are dynamically updated as moves are planned and executed. On the screen, we have the Yard Manager UI open, and we are on the Zone View screen where you can see the list of moves. These moves are currently shown in different colors because they indicate every move to be in a different life cycle of its own. For example, the move that is currently selected, which is blue in color, shows that the segmentation at the bottom has a crane associated to it, which has the move selected and ready to be locked and worked on. Other moves in the list have other colors like yellow, green, and red. The move in red is the one that is currently on hold. Moves can be put and released off hold by right-clicking on the move and using the option for release, which will turn the move back green, or selecting the move again and using the right-click option to use the option hold. With a reason indicated, we can put the move back on hold. With this, you can see all the segments associated to a held move are now grayed out, which means they are not ready to be worked by the equipment. Move that is currently yellow in color has a segment U, which indicates UTR. The segmentation is divided into further smaller segments. These are work orders, which are sent to independent equipments that are involved to perform the work. The first segment here, which is indicated to be worked by a UTR, is yellow in color because the container is currently hitched by chassis and is ready to be worked by the UTR. Once this move completes, this segment will turn dark gray, and I can show that to you how that works. So once the move was completed by UTR, the segment is now turned dark gray. And the resegmentation happens depending upon if the move has changed its course or if it is on the same course as originally defined. In this case, since the move had changed its course, additional segment had been added to confirm the move for this container from trackside 1 to plant to ground. The other segments are currently inactive because the UTR hasn't started the work on this. In the previous example, we had UTR yellow, and hence we had the yard segment active to be worked. We do not see any equipment assigned, which can, once assigned, will have this segment ready to be worked on and move through the progression of this cycle. Active moves. Active moves are moves that are ready to be worked by either the selected equipment or any other equipment that is available to perform the work. In this case, we have W segment, which has the work assigned to it, and the WSC listed for work is WSC1. Since WSC1 already has been assigned to a container that is ahead in the queue, once this work order is completed, the second work order in the list will automatically get selected for the WSC to work on it. We can see how this progression works. I'm using an internal tool to be able to transition the container to its planned position such that you can see the move completes and how the crane would then pick up the next work order in the queue. We are going to send a lock message for the currently selected container and see how the move progresses from lock to unlock and then complete. Sending lock message. And then we'll be sending unlock now. We see as the unlock message was received, the move was completed, and as soon as it was completed, the next container in the work list was automatically selected and has turned purple. Thank you so much.